How to add the calendar date widget to standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now first, let's make sure that your phone is already in standby mode. Once it is in standby mode, you want to swipe across to the widget screen. So here we've got three screens: the clock screen, the photo screen, and the widget screen. So go to the widget screen. In here, you have the left widget panel and the right widget panel. So touch and hold on the left widget panel if you want to make changes to the left widget panel. And to remove the calendar date widget, you tap on the delete button, then tap on remove. And that will allow you to remove the widget, then tap on done. To add in the calendar date widget, you touch and hold on the widget again, then tap on the add button. From the left hand side selection, you go down and you tap on calendar. Then on the right hand panel, swipe across until you find it says date. Then you tap on add widget and then tap on done. Now on the left hand side widget, in the smart stack, you can swipe up or down to select a different widget. So make sure you select the calendar date widget. And that is how you can set your standby screen to have the calendar date widget on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you can set a calendar month. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.